Good day everyone. Today I am going to show you how I prepare and edit my video lesson. First, prepare your lesson plan and have your SLM as your reference. Second, prepare your lesson in PowerPoint. Be sure to save them by parts. I did that kasi matagal mag-convert. At isa pa, it is by parts kasi different yung background ko. Next step, save each PowerPoint to. Pag old yung version ng PowerPoint mo, it is from WMV to MP4. Pero kung Microsoft 365 ang version mo, convert to MP4. Ayun, kino-convert ko pa siya sa MP4. Tapos, 6 na parts yung lesson ko. Okay, the fourth one, upload the MP4 files to your Google Drive. Lalo na kung sa cellphone kayo mag-e-edit. Then, download this to your mobile phone. Now, we're ready to edit the videos using KINEMASTER app. Okay, open your app. Click next project. The ratio is 16:9. Then add clip. You may choose from your downloaded files. Medyo mahaba yung video intro ko, so click ko yung clip and then split and insert freeze frame. Lalagyan natin siya ng video. So, click layer or overlay and then insert media. Yung green background ko ay lumilipad sa hangin. So, mas maganda yung naka-fix lang siya. Okay, so I will tap the video layer and then click chroma key. Then choose mo kung ano talaga yung kulay ng background mo para yun yung mabura niya. And then we're going to adjust the contrast and the opacity. If it's quite okay, you may crop. Then we can drag. Ayun, di ba? Nanggugulat lang.
Naligo na ba kayo? Kumain ng agahan? Handa na ba kayo sa ating pag-aaral?
So now let's add another layer. So let's choose the photo. And then I cropped. Then check mo yung cropping. And then enable natin yung chroma key. Choose the background color. Ayan, then adjust the opacity and its contrast. Ayan, pwede ka naman mamili ng iba-ibang background, huwag lang kulay yung ng balat mo, or puti, or itim, or kakulay ng damit mo, diba? The next video is in green background, so I'm going to tap clip, and I'm going to use the downloaded moving background. Let's add some transition effect. Tap the clip and then choose your transition. There. Now, tap layer, then media. Resize as big as the screen. Next, let's change the background chroma key. Let us enable and then choose the color. It's done. Since may call out balloon siya, so let's add layer and then choose the media. There, Bitmoji na lang. So, meron siyang resize, yung sa taas naman ay rotate. So here, imumove ko lang siya at i-resize. Tapos, i-extend ko na lang siya kung kailan siya dapat mag-appear. And then, you can add in and out animation. Dito, you may add layer, media, and then find the photos you like to add. Pwede ka diyang mag-record. Just press record and then say what you want to say. And then gusto mo siyang lagyan ng audio effect. Halimbawa, yung wow. You just tap audio and then choose from your audio files. Next, how I edit my cover or thumbnail. Tap, layer, then text. Type your chosen title. Drag and resize. Tap the color. Tap the font style. then the outline. You may add the in and out animation. Then top layer, then media. Choose the downloaded logo. If you want to add some details, layer, then text. If you want to copy, just click duplicate. Add the next logo, click layer, then media. Then add the photo and add animation. There! That's all, guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. You can do it. God bless.